are pleased to show you the 2017 Lincoln Continental. The Continental is synonymous with the flagship of the Lincoln brand. Lincoln Continental delivers comfort and technology in a stylish, full-size package. Packed with technology, computer electronics are applied to nearly every facet of the driving experience. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, rear defrost. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.